All right, good morning from the snowy Midwest. Out here in the Noster, Missouri State Park. Doing a couple trails out here today. I think I'm the first person to actually travel some of these trails since it snowed, other than the animals, of course. Getting a little bit of running in, but it's mostly just kind of hiking it, high stepping through the snow. You can kind of see tracks there. I'm the only one out here. Anyway, tiny bit of running, mostly just hiking today. But anyway, I'm on the green trail now, coming out of the visitor center. I'll check the name of it. I can't remember the name of it, but anyway, give us some good footage out here. These trails are always a great time. I'm also trying out some new spikes I got, because I do have a couple of races coming up where I think I'll need them. So anyway, catch up with you in a bit. Checking in. About a mile and a half into this. Definitely more just like a trek. With as much snow as there is, it's kind of hard to move very quickly. Very few running spots, but I'm finding a couple. But having a good time. It's definitely not cold. I almost feel like I overdressed, but good time. I think I'll head over to the Lakeside Trail after this. It's probably more traveled, which may allow me to have a little bit more spots where I can run. But for now, just kind of trekking through the snow. I'll check in a bit. All right, a little update. I'm actually just about done with the Lakeside Trail. I didn't record much. There's quite a bit of running area, which was nice. 5.5 miles in. Definitely more traveled. A few more people out here. I actually met a really nice couple a second ago, just out hiking. These spikes are awesome, working really good. But anyway, really nice day to be out here. Temperature's great. If you're in this area where you can drive out to these trails, there's multiple trails out here. You know, these few here by the lake, and then of course Possum Hollow is about 6 miles, and then McAdoo is I think about 5 miles. Those are both great great trails out here, worth checking out. All right, guys, all done for today. Got in exactly 6 miles by the time I got back to the truck. Great opportunity to try out the new micro spikes. Excellent, great product. Anyway, a lot of trekking. Got a few phone calls while I was out there, so took those. Nice day to be out here. Again, if you haven't made it out to Knob State Park, for these trails, it is beautiful, well maintained. Come check them out. Till next time, see you guys.